having introduced the new trend with its mild mix. Xiaomi will once again jump on the 18:9 borderless display bandwagon with its next flagship, which will arrive in Standard and Plus models in March/April. The Mi7 will pack some powerful hardware, including the Snapdragon 845 and colossal 8GB of RAM, and could be one of the first flagships to feature a fingerprint scanner embedded in the display. It could also be the first Xiaomi phone to include 7.5W wireless charging. Also see what to expect from MWC 2018. When is the Xiaomi Mi7 release date? Company spokesperson and product management director Donovan Sung has announced on Twitter that the Mi Mix 2S will launch on March 27. It's an exciting phone, but not enough of an upgrade to warrant an entire press conference. Given the timing, we reckon it's very likely we'll see it announced with the Mi7. The Xiaomi Mi6 was announced in China on April 19, 2017, and then began shipping in June. Xiaomi follows an annual release schedule like all major smartphone makers, so we expect to see the Mi7 announced at a similar time in 2018.